Jai Hind students, welcome back. Today we are going to study chapter number 4 from Flamingo, The Rat Trap by Salma Lagerlof. And this story is also important one, since this story has already been taught through WhatsApp. So it will be like a revision for you, as we are going to study it the second time. So first of all, we will discuss all the important points of the chapter, its main features, and then we will go through the text, and we will see the thorough explanation of the story. Apart from that, some important questions we will also discuss in the end. So first of all, we are going to discuss the main points of the story. I am going to share those main points on your screen first. See students, chapter number 4, The Rat Trap by Salma Lagerlof. Remember students, it's a title. Something is very important which you will have to take care of while studying this chapter. That is the title, The Rat Trap. Title is very important because title based question can be asked in your board examination. And apart from this, that two major characters of the story, that is the rat trap seller and iron master's daughter Edla, will mention this. Just in the beginning I just told you, so that whatever we will discuss, you will have to keep these points in your mind. Now let us move forward. See the main features. First of all, let us have a brief introduction of the author, Salma Lagerlof. Salma Lagerlof, who was born in 1858 and was died in 1940, was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. A universal theme runs through all the stories of Salma Lagerlof, and a belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. Remember student, this is the theme. This is also the theme of this story. What is the theme of the story? A belief that essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. And this story, The Rat Trap, is set amidst the mines of Sweden, which was rich in iron ore, and which figure large in the history and legends of that country. And it is also interesting to know that the story is told somewhat in the manner of a fairy tale. When we read it, we will find it. Now let us see that another point, that is the introduction of the story. Here we can see that this story, The Rat Trap, has a universal theme that runs through all the stories of the author Salma Lagerlof. The author has a firm belief that essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. Now this has been used second time. Remember student, this is the theme of the story. And the story The Rat Trap is set amidst the mines of Sweden, which are rich in iron ore, which we have already discussed. The story is somewhat told in the manner of fairy tale. That is also a speciality of this chapter. And it is about a man who sold small rat traps of wire. Remember students, and this man is the most important character, protagonist of this story. He is the rat trap seller. Means it is about a man who told small rat traps of wire, and since his business of selling small rat traps of wire was not profitable, so he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery. Means he was doing a little begging, and he was also doing a little thievery to make both ends meet, means to survive. You know that he was struggling for his survival, and that's why he was not only selling the rat trap, rather he was also doing some begging and thievery. But one day what happened, that one day this man, means rat trap seller, fell into a line of thought, and he was thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that, now remember student, this is very important, his philosophical thought. Suddenly that he was struck by the idea that the whole world was nothing but a big rat trap. And through the metaphor, means here the rat trap has been used as a metaphor. Through the metaphor of a rat trap, the author strikes a philosophical thought, a philosophical note. And here it is described that the human predicament of the temptation, means human beings predicament is suffering of the temptation. The throughout the story, the author aids an element of humor also. We can find when we'll go through the story, we find that it is also full of humor, and this humor has been used to lighten the seriousness of its tone, because theme is quite serious. In order to lighten its theme, its seriousness, that somewhere in the story that humor is also used in the story. So some humorous part we can also see while we will go through the story. Now let us see the next point, that is the theme of the story, the rat trap, which is always important for every story, every chapter. And now here in this story, the rat trap, we find that the story tackles the theme of temptation, sin and reformation. Temptation, sin, and then reformation. How that through the life of the peddler, means rat trap seller, The author highlights the economical uh, beats. Beats means a cheese of pork, a cheese of a piece of pork, a piece of cheese, you know, some money. So here that uh, the author highlights the economical beats that abound in this materialistic world around us, and how with their glitter, with their uh, temptation, with their importance, tempt us to a sinful life. Means we are attracted, we see wherever we see a little bit money, we are lured towards it, and then we commit a crime. So once a person submits before his weakness, he is trapped, and he is trapped in the web of that greed, that greediness forever. And even though his conscience pricks him, he is unable to uh, extricate himself, and sinks deeper and deeper in this swamp of temptation. Means once a person commits one crime, so in order to escape from that one crime, he starts coming doing another crime, in this way that he is trapped forever. Here in this story also, it happened with the rat trap sailor. The story, there is also another aspect we can take as a theme in this story, the rat trap. That is, the story also deals with the loneliness and the craving of bond with others. Story deals with the loneliness, because that here that few characters later on, when we will go through the story, we find the paddler means rat trap seller. He is also suffering from the loneliness. Another character, crafter, whose money he had stolen, he was also suffering from loneliness. And even that iron master, the another character, he was also somewhat suffering from loneliness. So it may be another thing. The economic divide between the haves and the have nots has alienated the poor, who are discarded by the society. Means poor people are not respected, not given respect by the society. This is the common attitude of the people in our society. But there is a ray of hope. What the author Salma Legloff wants to highlight, that there is a ray of hope in the form of kind and gentle souls, who with their love and care can make a difference in the lives of the deprived beings and reform them to lead a dignified life. As here in this story, in the end of the story, we find that Edla will mention, who is the daughter of Iron Master. She is a very kind and friendly towards Paddler. And even after knowing the fact that he is the Paddler, he is not her father's friend, regimental friend, captain. She had given a respect like a captain to him, and due to her hospitality, her good behavior, her friendly nature and kindness, finally that rat trap seller turned into a gentleman from a thief. Now let us see that another point, that is the title. As I in the beginning I told you students, the title of this story, The Rat Trap, is very important because uh, there is a philosophical touch in the story, and it is rat trap is used as a metaphor. So that's why it is very important to understand the title of the story. And when we talk about the title of the story, the title The Rat Trap is very appropriate for this story, as uh, the story deals with the life of a rat trap peddler, means rat trap seller, and the author has employed the metaphor of a rat trap quite effectively in this story in order to justify the title of the lesson. And just as the rat trap offers cheese and pork to entrap the rats, the world offers riches and joys, food and shelter as baits to trap the people, to trap the human being. So the story revolves around the rat trap seller who steals money and is entrapped. After stealing the money from the crafter's house, he is, means the peddler, rat trap seller, is entrapped, and hence the title is very apt and logical. Now let us see that another point, that is the message. Means in every story the author wants to convey a message through the story. Let us see that what is the message. Here the author Salma Legloff wants to convey. The story The Rat Trap sends across a strong and very powerful message. That what is the message? The basic goodness in human being can be awakened with unconditional love and understanding, and it is destiny that determines the economic status of a human being, and we have no right to condemn or discard another creation of God. Means we don't have any right to condemn or discard to anyone. And the on the basis of materialistic property, we can't discard anyone, and anybody can fall prey to the deadly sin of greed, but with kindness and understanding we can lend a helping hand and help the person to reform his way of life and to become a gentle personality. So the story ends with this message, and that is very strong message which author wants to convey through this story, The Rat Trap. Now let us see the next point, that is the character. And remember student, when we talk about the character, that some characters are always important. Here in this story four major characters are there, four important characters are there, but two characters are the major characters that it is important for us to know first. That first of all, the first and most important character is peddler, means the rat trap seller. Whole story is based on him, revolve around him. And the second important character is the Edla will mention, who is Iron Master's daughter. And the message which author wants to convey, and that she wants to convey through this character, Edla will mention. And the third character is Crafter, who is an old man. And the fourth character is Iron Master, means Edla will mentions father. So these four important characters are there, and out of these four, as much as character sketch concerned, that separately you will have to study the character sketch of the rat trap seller, the peddler, and which is the most important character, and the second one, Edla will mentions character. These two characters are important, and you need to study the character sketch of these two characters separately. As much as first character, let us discuss a little bit about these two major characters. The first one is the peddler, the rat trap sailor. The peddler, who is a poverty stricken homeless vagabond, means wanderer, and who struggled to sustain his life by selling rat traps made from stolen things, stolen discarded materials. And at times that when his hunger became unbearable, that he even resorted to petty thievery. He also does some begging and thievery. And his lonely and monotonous life had embittered him, and he derived rather he felt a joy out of thinking that the world was a big rat trap with all its riches, and was looking for rats that would succumb before the temptation it offered. Means somewhat he was philosophical also. He was poor, he was wanderer, he was a vagabond, but there was some philosophical thought in him. And he led an immodest life, and did not hesitate in the slightest before abusing the hospitality shown by the people, like here that shown by the old crafter. He welcomed him, and he deceived him by stealing his money. And after stealing the 30 kroner, he had stolen 30 kroner from crafter's house. And after stealing 30 kroner from the crafter's house, he fled to the forest, where he lost his way and realized that he had fallen a prey to the temptations and was now a rat. Now he started realizing, when he was trapped in the forest because of that stolen money, he realized that he himself has been trapped in the rat trap of the world. And his greed, why he was trapped? Because that his greed led him to the he was trapped because of his temptation of money, because of his greed. And further, his greed led him to the Iron Master's house, and where he was given an unconditional care, love, affection, and friendly behavior by the Iron Master's daughter, means Edla will mention. And even her compassion forced the peddler to change his way of life. The way Edla treated him after even knowing his fact that he is not her father's regimental friend, she treated him like a captain. And Edla had treated him like a captain. That's why he felt morally obliged to behave as a captain. And finally, that he also, uh, showed his behavior like a captain towards Edla. In this way, that a thief has been turned into a gentleman by the good behavior of Edla will mention good behavior, love and care. So uh, it is proved that essential goodness never dies. It can be awakened through understanding and love, which is also the theme of the story. It is proved in the end of the story. And now we can also uh, think, students, when we talk about the character, the second character Edla will mention, uh, who is the Ironmaster daughter, and she is the embodiment of humility and compassion, and uh, forces the reader to believe that essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through love and understanding. She proves it in the end of the story. And in spite of knowing that who Rat Trap Peddler was, she does not hesitate to give him food, shelter, and all the comfort. And she personifies the spirit of Christianity, as she is compassionate, she is very uh, kind hearted and friendly. The faith that she reposes in the peddler, and the humility, means the modesty and respect she shows towards him, brings about a change in the peddler, in the rat trap sailor, and he is inspired to abandon his way of life and lead a dignified and respectable life in the end. In this way, she, means Edla, saves him from being forever trapped in the rat trap. And that's why, children, that this character is important, because the message which the author wants to convey through this chapter, that has been conveyed through this character Edla will mention. Now here we can see that the rat trap, this, as much as that about the author concern, we have already discussed, so you can go through for your own convenience once. But remember, students, that this you can underline in your book, that a universal theme runs through all of them, and a belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. This is the theme of the story, which you will have to keep in your mind. And this is a very important point which you need to keep in your mind. And as much as the story concerned, that since it's a long story, we will begin its explanation from the next class, means from tomorrow. I think the time is about to be over, students. That's why, means we are going to end today's class here, and in our next class we will go through the text of the story thoroughly, and we will see the explanation of the chapter. So, thank you, and have a good day to all of you.